Christmas.
Hi.
You know, guys, where you're seated?
21L.
21L, so you're gonna be this way and then right.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Welcome back to the Bridge Effect for another travel vlog. This is a flight review of United's Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner. So my ticket was in United's Premium Plus, and in that seating you will get a Saks Fifth Avenue blanket as well as a pillow. You also get a separate menu, and it's both in French and in English.
Newest section of United, the Purple People Hub. You guys can have whatever you like.
Merry Christmas to me. I was fortunate enough to get a ticket that allowed me to be placed in premium economy, and when I got up there, me and someone else had the same seat, so they moved me, and they moved your girl to first class. So I'm whispering because I don't know how to act. Yes. First choice, the chicken bowl, and second choice, the salmon.
For breakfast?
The omelet.
Omelet?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Notre commandant de bord vient d'informer que notre vol ce soir a une durée de 6h30 et il nous a donné...
Listen, when you don't have to pay for something, it just feels so much better. But we about to get this flight review popping. Y'all ready? In United Polaris, you have a lie flat bed that extends to 6'6". So this is something that you're able to stretch out and lay down. You have a cubby holder in the side with a little lamp, as well as some headphones that are specific to United Polaris. Y'all, I'm so uncouth. It's not crooked. It's supposed to be that is. So the cubby is meant for you to keep things in, and there's a mirror. Hey y'all! Here you have the remote and a plug. Probably would need an adapter to use it. Foam pillow. Saks Fifth Avenue blanket. So they leave a pouch on your seat, and it has some goodies inside of it. So inside the pouch, you receive an eye mask, a pair of socks, hand and face cream with a wipe, a dental kit, earplugs, tissues, and a pen. Each seat comes with their own remote and TV, so it's time for the entertainment. There were a lot of good movies on there, a lot of new releases that I hadn't seen before. So I opted out of using the Saks Fifth cover and decided to use the duvet cover, which was a bit heavier. In United Polaris, they do have a over-the-shoulder belt as opposed to just wearing it around your waist as you would do in regular economy or premium plus. Securing the seatbelt comes in 3 different parts. Here, I'm attaching the over-the-shoulder part to the waist, and then you have to secure it in the buckle. I struggled at first, but I got it together. I'm secure now. So as you saw earlier in this video, I already gave my order to the flight attendant, but here is the menu. Inside there are 3 different menus with the 3 different languages that they speak on our way to Brussels, Belgium. So of course, I'm gonna look at the English part. So you have different options between the entrees and the dessert. You'll also be able to select what you want for breakfast, and then you have an a la carte menu that is served at any time. Before the meal, you're given a hot towel to clean your hands. are the controls that allow you to adjust your seat. And now it's time to utilize the flatbed. The length of the flatbed is 6'6", so standing at 6 feet, I was able to get comfortable and get a nap in. Overall, I thoroughly enjoyed United Polaris. It's something that I was going to give to myself, but I'll take an upgrade over paying my own money any day. So make sure to stay tuned, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you've ever flown United Polaris before, and I will check you guys out in the next video. Thanks for watching.